South Africans in different places yesterday marched against illegal immigrants to express concerns over the increased presence of undocumented migrants. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda panguva ino atiri kuona kuti maSouth Africans havachafari nemaforeigners especially maZimbabweans vari kunzi number 1 vanopinda munyika vasina proper documentation, and number 2 they are utilizing maSouth African resources vakaita semaresources ari muzvipatara anonga kunzi nyika yavo inogadzira budget yevanhu vari munyika yavo according to their population, but kuonekwa kunzi illegal immigrants panguva ino vari kuya vachitora those resources. Sandapinda mashoko abudanyirwa panapa, subscribe or like out on the bell kuti ipita panapa news okusandanyira chiti. The protests are part of a larger anti-immigration movement gaining national momentum, with the demonstrations taking place across provinces. The movement, known as March in March, follows a successful demonstration in Durban, which aims to raise awareness about issues related to undocumented immigration. There have been different anti-immigration movements in recent years in South Africa. South Africans feel that illegal migrants are competing for or taking limited job opportunities and resources from them, fueling unemployment. The country is reeling from unemployment, inequality, crime, and poverty among the poor, uneducated population. There is a perceived link between undocumented immigration and increased crime rates. The protests also stem from concerns about the strain on public services like healthcare and education. In response to these concerns, the South African government has taken new steps to address immigration, including through establishing the Border Management Authority to prevent illegal crossings. Mashoko arikubuda panguva ino madevelopments athu South Africa vachibloka vanhu vari kupinda munyika yavo vasiri pamutemo vachikonzeresa chaos, crime rates, nekuya vachiutilize resources asiri allocated for them. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu, non subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.